Okay, so we're going to make our little bunny here today. What I'm using is just above at the top of the screen. So this is the white Renshaw's sugar paste, and to that I'm going to be adding some Tylo powder. Tylo powder there. That will just mean that when you make your figure, any figure that you make really, it will keep its shape and it won't sort of flop once you've made it. So it just acts as a hardening agent to help your figure keep its shape. If you're using modelling paste, you don't need to use the Tylo powder because that's already going to set for you. So I've just kneaded that white powder into my icing. You need about 1/3 teaspoon of Tylo powder to 250 grams, just as an idea. If you add too much, then you can end up with your icing cracking. Okay, so I've just taken a nice size of icing away to make the main body of the bunny. And I'm rolling it in the palms of my hands quite firmly to get rid of any pleats or creases, so it's a nice smooth ball. Once I've done that, I'm going to make it more into an egg shape. So we have the bunny's body. Okay. Next we'll do the legs. We'll do the 2 legs at the same time. So again, I've just taken a smaller ball, sort of golf ball size. Roll into a ball and then roll into a sausage. See how they compare next to your body. You don't want them too long. And then you can cut away what you don't need to use. I'll just bring the other one to the side so you can see. You have one for each side there. I'm just going to use some of my edible glue. If you haven't got any to hand, then you can always use a little bit of water. It will do the same thing, it's just not as strong, but water would suffice if you're stuck for the glue. I'm just sticking those onto the side of the body there. And then I'm going to make his feet. So the feet, and just roll into a teardrop shape and then flatten. And then just using a knife, push in, push in, push in, push in, create the little feet. Just going to use another little bit of glue and stick those on. Okay, arms. Obviously you just want to make sure these are a little bit smaller than your legs, because we don't want our arms to be bigger than our legs. I'm just using where I've cut with the knife, just smoothing that round with my finger. And then again, just a little bit of glue. We can stick those on. Okay. So the head. Roll in again so that there's no pleats or creases. Once you've got a nice ball, just flatten using the palm of your hand and make sure that the size is okay for your figure. If you're not happy with it, you can just scrunch it up and do it again. Okay, a little bit of glue on there. And I'm going to use some pasta. So the pasta will just help as a support. It's completely edible, so you haven't got to worry about any health and safety issues.